Hello, this is John from Independent Research Partners with another installment of our video series. Today we're going to look at a new feature we've added to the FundKing website at www.fund-king.com. And this is available for our gold and our silver members. So just to remind you, you can sign up for 1 month free as a silver member. Now, let's take a look at what we've done here because we're very excited about it. If you go to the Portfolio Select tab, click that, it will take you to our new feature, which we call Portfolio Select rather unoriginally. And you can see that we have made it possible to calculate portfolios in real time. And so if we just go down a little bit, let me show you first the three features, the 3 or 4 areas that we have. The first is the My Portfolio area. And here what I've done is I've loaded it up with our Fidelity portfolio. It's mostly an equity portfolio, so it's not been doing terribly well lately, but we'll see how we can tweak that in a minute. Up here is a ticker search. You can type in a name and a bunch of tickers will come down. We're working on this one. This isn't quite ready for prime time, but it will give you access to the tickers, a quick way to get to it. Here's the chart, a 5-year chart of how things have been going. The red obviously is if you use the system, our system of buying just a few of the investments in your portfolio. And the yellow is if you had an equal weighting of all the assets in the portfolio. Down here is the current ranking with the reading, so it'll tell you which, in this case, funds are good and which are not. Obviously the white ones are the ones we want to buy, the ones in gray are the ones we want to look at but not buy. And the recent 3-month performance will show you how things have been going lately. Now down here we've added 2 things. I like to, in the case of 18 or 19 or 20, I like to hold 3 assets at any one time. And because this is a mutual fund portfolio, I like to tweak the calculation up too. Now what this tweaking the calculation, we can get into this much later. What this does is if you're talking about ETFs or stocks, you can leave it at 0, maybe go -1, -2, see if it makes a difference. In terms of funds where you do get charged for switching back and forth, and there are certainly 30-day limits and 60-day limits on some funds, you want to slow the calculations down so you're not switching as often. And so now we come back up here, see it's changed a little bit. If you want to see the actual performance, just hold your mouse in over the line and it will tell you both the date and the performance. So you can see that right there. Now obviously as an equity, primarily equity portfolio, this hasn't done a little well. So you can actually put in perhaps just some simple ETFs that might afford you a little bit of fixed income performance. So let's just add in the TLT, which is the iShares Lehman 20+ Treasury bonds. And as you can see, that reading is quite strong right now, as we've seen the interest rates fall quite dramatically over the last few sessions. So that's the feature. This is for gold and silver members only. So gold members obviously are paying members. Silver is the 1-month trial. Please sign on, take a look at it, try it out. And if you have any comments, we will be making improvements and upgrades to this. So please let us know. Thank you very much for watching and good luck with your investments.